Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video here with Think English TV. If you're new on this channel, then consider subscribing and press the bell button for getting future updates at the earliest. So, coming up. In today's video, I am talking about how to improve your quality hours and how to invest your quality hours to learn to speak English much powerfully and easily, because it's very important to invest your hours, your time, rather than spend that hours, right? To speak English powerfully, you need something that can be an as investment, right, for future. So let's get started. The first question may arise like this, that how much quality hours do you need? First of all, why I'm talking about the quality hours? Quality hours simply means that you are investing some times to some improvement that is super high of energy, super high of concentrations. That's about quality hours. Now, for an average people, those who are at the beginner or intermediate level, these quality hours can be at least 2 hours per day, because less than 2 hours per day is not enough. If you are at the advanced level, then it may be 1.5 hours, even 1 hour. But if you are at the beginner level, then at least 2 hours per day is required to practice effectively and to speak English naturally, more easily and effortlessly. So that's why at least give 2 hours if you are beginner or the intermediate level. After that, you can reduce the time. So speaking English is similar like to give your hours to some valuable moments, right? It's like an exercise, so that's why you have to give quality hours so that you can speak effectively, and the way you are learning, that should be effective and will have a great impact on your learning. If you can practice at least 2 hours per day, so after 3 months you will see the change, the difference in you. You can speak English much better, effectively, even like a native if you want. So at least give 2 hours per day. And today I'm not saying anything else, and that's all for today. And stay tuned with the next video of Think English TV. See you again.